Ayan o, may mga marks ako dito. Pimple marks. Here, here, here. Tapos, sa noo. And there. And then, after using this cream, honestly speaking, yes, na-conceal niya 90%. Hi there! My name is Anthony, and in this video, we are now going to have a makeup review. So, I have here itong front row Lux Organics Dynamic Duo BB CC Cream. Kaya ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin nito? It is for concealer, brightening, and SPF siya, tapos moisturizing pa sa face. So, since hindi ako, ayan, walang makeup yan, no? Ang nakikita nyo dito is mga spots, mga pimple marks. Ayan, meron pa akong mark dito, tapos yung pimple dito. And then, ayan, may mga marks talaga ako sa face. So, hindi man ako kasing kinis ng mga paborito yung artista. But, we can still achieve yung mga kinis nila by using this wonderful BB stick. So, pertaining to the price, magkano nga ba ang isang ganito? Ang price niya is this one. Ayan, i-flash ko yung price. Ganyan po yung bili ko. But, if you're going to purchase online, depende yung price. May mas mataas, may mas mababa, depending on the seller. So, yan po yung price, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested to purchase this one. So, saan nga ba mabibili? Sa Shopee and Lazada. And yung link ko is below. So, i-click nyo lang yung link below. Diyan na kayo pwedeng bumili. Ayan. And now, ganito yung before. So, after ng isang clip, i-represent ko yung mga important details ng product na ito, yung ingredients niya, yung 8-in-1 na, yung 8-in-1 na benefits ng product na ito, kung bakit siya effective sa inyong skin, and pwedeng gamitin every day. So, ayan, I'm going to flip this camera for us to make a closer look. And now we are here on the closer look. So magka-closer look tayo dito sa Lux White Reveal Dynamic Duo BB Plus CC Hybrid Stick. And it has 50 SPF, kaya naman pwedeng-pwede kapag lumabas ka. So what are the benefits? 8-in-1 BB Plus CC benefits. It is for brightening, lightweight, essence, hydrating, pore minimizing, full spectrum sunscreen, primer, and concealer. So, pwede siyang concealer and it can really hide your blemishes. So, it is with 0.5mm hyper fine brush. And it contains 12 grams. So, 12 grams po siya. Made in Korea. So, ayan siya. May mga Korean na mga scripts niya. So, we have here sa likod niya, ayan, the description says, achieve clean and amazing clear skin with a superb dynamic duo stick and 8-in-1 full spectrum smooth finish skin perfecting stick that allows you to achieve maximum skincare benefits from the BBCC creams. The finest ingredients were meticulously combined to precisely adapt with your own body temperature for a dewy and natural finish, as well as long wearing lastability. This instant skin solution also provides an intense SPF 50 sunscreen protection. Ayan, so contains natural ingredients, Rosa Canina fruit oil, vitamin C, E, C, D, and beta-carotene, vitamin A siya. Tapos, ayan, evening primrose oil, and then the jojoba esters. Tapos, ayan, sabi dito, use daily for a visibly clearer complexion. Ayan, twist, apply, spread. Yun yung direction niya. Twist, apply, spread. And benzophenone-free, cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, paraben-free, GMO-free, artificial fragrance-free, petrolatum-free. O, ang daming free. So, for external use only, avoid contact with eyes, wash eyes with water if nai-contact sa eyes. And dermatologically tested for all skin types. And it is brought to you by Front Row. O, diba? Social ang Front Row talaga. Tapos, ang nakuha kong color is color 00 ata yung shade nito. Yes, 00. So, I think this one, yung shade is one shade darker than my skin tone. So, it's time for us to apply na this product. In this part of the clip, it will be the demonstration. So, ayan yung box. And now, we are going to unbox. Ilalabas na po natin yung main tube. This is now the tube. Ayan, tadan! Dynamic Duo. Ayan, Lux White Reveal Dynamic Duo by Front Row. So, makikita nyo, Front Row siya. And yung mga details niya. Tapos, dito, duo siya kasi dito sa part na ito is the brush. So, 5mm na brush. Ang ganda ng brush ha. Ang soft niya. So, pwede mong apply sa face. And then, ito naman is the main part. O, diba? This is yung concealer. And ang sabi sa directions here is twist, apply, and spread. Ayan. Twist, apply, and spread. So, ayan, iti-twist natin siya. But, syempre, naka-ano siya. Twist. So, pataas siya. But, syempre, naka-full pa rin. And, it's time to apply it in our face. So, uunahin natin yung here. So, i-apply natin here. Ganyan. I may not be the perfect makeup artist, but at least I can show you yung hindi ganong strong na paglagay nito para ma-conceal natin yung pimple. Matte. So, ayan. Honestly speaking, yes, na-conceal niya 90%. But hindi naman lahat dahil may mga active acne ako. And as you can see, meron dito. Tapos, ayan, meron din mga konti dito. Pero overall, hindi maruming tignan yung mukha ko after using this Dynamic Duo Stick. Tapos, ang pinakagusto ko dito is sunscreen with SPF 50. That's why I'm also protected from the harmful UV rays from the sun. And kapag lalabas ka between 10 AM to 3 PM, dun yung may pinakamalakas na radiation from the sun kasi nga we are in the equator, direct yung sunlight dito sa atin. So it's important to protect ourselves from the harmful UV rays. So yes, hindi lang siya concealing, brightening pa siya, kaya ayan, medyo bright yung face, but hindi siya obvious na naglagay ako ng concealer. So ito yung gusto ko sa kanya, hindi siya obvious, but at least kahit paano malinis ng tignan yung face ko, unlike before. So yes, I'm going to use this siguro on a daily basis, hindi naman daily basis, pag tuwing lumalabas lang ako para hindi naman nakakahiya kapag ano, di ba? Makikita nila yung mga acne scars mo. Ayan. So, yes, I'm very satisfied with this product. Itong Lux White Dynamic Duo. So, yes, kung nagustuhan nyo itong product na ito, mag-subscribe kayo for more product reviews. Tapos, if you want to suggest another product for me to review, mag-comment down lang below kayo para makita ko kung ano yung available na pwede kong tignan and possibly i-review. Ayun. So, also comment down below your feedback, suggestions, reactions. And reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day!